I wanted to develop my confidence in public speaking. So there's been a lot of benefits to this course for me. It's developed my confidence in speaking, my variation in my vocal tone, but also being more comfortable physically with hand gestures, and really got me to think through what things are important in a speech and the kind of the structure and an order of things, and how that can really influence what an impact a talk can make. And it's also been really fun. Thank you, Charmaine. I think the one thing that's really stuck out to me is spending the time in developing the opening and closing before you've developed the kind of content, the main content in the middle. That structure and those techniques really help build a powerful talk. During the next maybe year or two, I'll be presenting at a conference. And so I will absolutely be looking through my notes again and making sure that I remember everything that I've been taught about being bigger and using hand gestures and structuring my speech in an impactful way, and really thinking, I think one of the key things is thinking about the audience and tailoring tailoring your talk to the audience. I think that's been a real big takeaway for me as well. Thank you.